Hello everyone and welcome back. I am so excited to be here with you today. It is a lovely sunny Friday in the middle of winter, so happy to see just a few rays of sunshine shining down. Today is a special day because, as promised, I have got my brand new kit out. I've been working on this one for a while and I'm very excited about it, so I hope that you're going to like it as well. Right, so it's called Book Lovers Bliss. So that'll give you an inkling of what we're looking into. Now, this kit is, I love the colors in this kit. It's inspired by a scarf that I have that are all these sort of colors, and I wear that scarf with this jumper when I'm out. And you'll see the colors. They're beautiful burgundies, pinks, purples, just lovely colors, and really go together so nicely with the neutrals. So I hope that you're going to have a look at it too. All right, so this is what the printed kit would look like, and I'll get to that in a little while. And this is just one of the tags that I've put together on here with a piece of ribbon. Let me show you what this is all about. All right, so we've got quite a few different parts to this collection. The first is the journal pages collection. That's 24 pages all in all. I like to do lots of variety and have a lot on offer for you. Now I'm going to show you what those are straight away. This is the first page, and I love this. This is all about something that I'm very passionate about, which is reading, and I do love books. And of course, when I'm reading, I need a nice hot drink or a nice cuppa to go with that, whether that's coffee or tea. And of course, with coffee and tea, you need biscuits or cake or something, don't you? Because it's winter and it's comfy food. So that's why I thought this would be a good time to do this. All right, so that's the first page. All those beautiful things that we've just said. And then this is another one of the pages. I've tried to bring in bits of pages and all sorts of elements to go in here, so I hope that it's going to speak to you like it speaks to me. So if you are a budding author, you might need a typewriter. Couldn't resist the typewriter in here. And whether you're writing books or reading them, anything about books, ex-English teacher, gosh, just had to do it. So I hope that you're going to enjoy this too. So lots of bit of teal popping in here and there. We've got the lovely lilacs, the nice richness of those chocolate colors, and lots of font and neutrals as well. Now these are the framed pages, I call them. Lots of lovely elements there. We've got a couple of those as well, so 4 of those, and all sorts of beautiful elements to match with those. And I do another bit of teal coming through there. We've got butterflies, we've got beautiful flowers. Can't go wrong with a good bookstore. And if I go into one, you have to be prepared to drag me out, because yeah, it sort of sucks me in. I do love books and the smell of books, and I know that I'm sure many of you are the same. All right, so that's what we've got there. Yeah, so this is another one of those pages. Love the designer pages in our journals, and I hope that you're going to like how they've turned out. All right, so there we've got 8 of those designer pages. Then I have put together background pages or other designer pages. So we've got this beautiful page. I love this. And another one. So this is more with the chocolate backgrounds, because you want some darker ones as well as some lighter ones. So we've got this, and then I couldn't resist putting this one together on a sort of font background, and all these beautiful roses and colors just spoke to me, so I love that page. And then we're going to a bit calmer with all the lovely elements, and again, great. I love this kind of thing for cutting these out and decorating, as well as using it as a background page. So yes, then I've put together some beautiful background pages with some lovely lilacs with or lavender really, with gold rose drawings on, and then more of a lilac shade there. And then of course we had to go a bit fuchsia, so if that's like fuchsia with some gold over it, I do like that one. Then I did add in the two stripes that will go with this. So you've got a chocolate one and more of a wine one. So those go with those as well. Added some different kinds of dots this time. I've gone with these 3 pages from that. So those are going to help with decorating and sort of breaking up the colors. So definitely brought in some of that lovely aqua shade. All right, now with all my journal pages kits, you know I like to do the mini versions. I love decorating with these, and I do use these often. So I've added a set of the designer pages. So you've got 4 of these with all those pages on there. All right, so that little collection is 24 pages. Now, oops, I'm stuck here to the Velcro. So that's the journal page section of that. So that's 24 pages. All right, so I'll just put that to the side over here. All right, the second bit here is the add-on kit. And I've added an extra page here. So you normally get 10 pages. I've added 11. So there's 1 extra page here. I've added, this is normally in there, tags, large tags. I love tags, so I've got 2 pages of tags here for you. There is this page, which is additional tags, and I've added a little pocket here, so like a seed packet pocket over there. Another page of smaller tags. So you've got bigger ones, medium, small, medium, and large. There we go. So we've got those. We've got pockets. Love the pockets, always handy. So we've got a page of pockets there. Some more pockets and a lot more circles. I do find using these, whether it's on pockets or anything, they're always great to have these little discs. Love them. We've got our envelopes, which we use a lot of. So we've got 2 larger ones, and then a page of 2 mini ones, which are these. So those are going to look fabulous. And then journal cards or postcards, we got those. So I love using those as well. And then a page of tabs. So that's your add-on kit there. All right, so that's another 11 pages. All right, then we have the ephemera pack, and I think there's an extra page in here, if I'm correct. I can't remember, but we'll see. So postcards, which I love to alter. I've got an Calvin Klein, Catherine Klein postcards. My mind's all over the place. So I've added a few of those, and then I've altered my own postcards. I've added in little books that I have decorated with book titles. So we've got some of those. We've got other books that we like to read, and some more discs there. Some other bits and pieces, all the ephemera bits to do with reading and that sort of thing. So got some bookmarks here with some things related to library. Now this is an extra page that I've put in here where I've made my version of library cards. So you've got the back bit, and then this bit fits on the front as a pocket, and you can tuck things in there. So I've added this page for this, especially for this. I've also added in little mini pockets as well. So we've added those in, which can be floating or attached to your journal. And then again, I've got some more ephemera bits here as well. So more cards that you can add to your journal. Love these. I did get quite creative with the quotes. I've got some funny book quotes here about book sniffers, book hangovers, and the definitions for all of those things, as well as other little things. So I've got 2 pages of those. So that was really funny, some of these, but I like that. And then I've made a mini version, which I always do, which I like to use a combo of both, really. So there you go. All right, so that is all the ephemera that makes up the ephemera kit. So these are sold as separates, as digitals. So you have an ephemera and sentiments, an add-on, and the journal pages, and they're called Book Lovers Bliss. All right, so that's that. Now what I've put here at the back is the printed kit. Now, if you buy a printed kit from me, you get a set of the ephemera pack printed out. You get a set of the add-on kit printed out. You get a complete set as it is, all 24 pages of the full pages, the background pages, and the mini pages. So that's 24 pages. All right, so here already you've got quite a lot. And then I give you this set. Now this set is what makes up your actual journal pages. There are 12 here. All right, and I'll go through what they are exactly when we start working on this journal, which will be next week. All right, so what we have here is I've got the 12 pages. So I've got my designer pages and pages that we're going to use at the back here. So with those 8 and 4 others, which are these. All right, but on the back of all of this, I've printed everything that needs to go. So you will get a double-sided printed set. All right, so you'll have everything on the back of those pages as well. All right, so you get this 12 pages printed, ready to go into your signatures to make your journal, along with whatever else we're going to add, like book pages, etc. All right, I will share all of that with you closer to the time, but in the meantime, we have the printed kit. So you get that double-sided set, a whole lot of the journal pages to work with, and then your add-on and ephemera pack. And that comes together 58 pages, a complete collection for you ready to go and do your thing. All right, that comes in this little plastic envelope here with a little stud on the front. And you'll get a little tag from me with a little message, and that's how you would get that. All right, now I do want to say that if you are wanting to place an order for printed kits, and I'm having a limited quantity on them, there are going to be pre-orders. I'm only able to post them on next Friday, on the 20th of January. And the reason for that is Royal Mail have got a cyber problem with all their international postage. And that is why we still have delays on stuff that was posted at Christmas time. They've asked us not to post anything. They are looking into it at the moment, and they only let us know on Wednesday. So please be patient if you're wanting a printer kit. They will sort it out, obviously, but I will not be posting anything at this point until, well, for these orders until the 20th of January. All right. So just a little delay there. Now, one other thing I thought I'd just share with you is I have also, and I'm going to share it with you next week, I have put together a bundle for this. So I've been looking at what everybody says and collating all my comments. Obviously, I have got fabric, which I have designed. I have it already, and I'm going to be putting that in there. So you will have the option to buy the printed fabric cover. I've also gathered some beautiful fabrics that are going to go together in that bundle. I've got additional 5 pieces of fabric that match with this that are going to go together. I've collected buttons, and I have a beautiful selection of buttons that match with this, and I also have a collection of ribbons that I will be putting in there as well. All right, so you will receive a little box with all the goodies, just as I'm going to use them in to make this journal, and that's going to make a wonderful winter project for us to work on. All right, keep you very busy. So look out for that. I'm probably going to do that on Tuesday. At the moment, I am still in the throes of sorting out my craft room. It's being built as we speak, so hopefully you don't hear any drilling noises. He hasn't drilled yet, but as soon as I'm up and running with that, that should be fine. But by next week, you know, the middle of next week, that should be all sorted. So fingers crossed that that goes according to plan. All right, everyone, I wish you a wonderful weekend. Take good care of yourselves. Thank you for all your understanding, support, and encouragement. And if you're waiting on a postal a parcel from me and you are overseas, I am so sorry that we have had to deal with all the strikes and all the delays from Royal Mail. It turns out that they have had a cyber problem, as I've just explained, and that's what the delay is. So I can only apologize. Let's hope that things are going to improve. The good news is there's no strike days planned going forward, so I am very happy about that. All right, take good care of yourselves. There won't be a video on Sunday, as I say, I'm in the throes of this moving, but I will definitely see you again on Tuesday. So stay well and see you again soon. Bye, everyone.